Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Coming to our topic microbes in human welfare. In that, today we are going to discuss microbes as biocontrol agent. First we will discuss what is meant by biocontrol. Then we will discuss about the examples of biocontrol agents. In that, first beetles, then Bacillus thuringiensis, Trichoderma and baculoviruses. Now coming to first point, microbes as biocontrol agents. So what is meant by biocontrol? Biocontrol means use of different biological methods for controlling plant diseases and pest. पेस्ट यानी कि सभी प्रकार के हार्मफुल ऑर्गेनिजम्स जैसे कि हार्मफुल इंसेक्ट्स, देन रोडेंट्स, mites, worms, caterpillars, then disease causing pathogenic microorganisms which causes damage to the crop plants, and also they reduce the production from the agricultural field, and all such harmful organisms are collectively called as pest. और इन पेस्ट की वजह से क्या होता है, प्रोडक्शन भी कम हो जाता है एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड में. तो इनको कंट्रोल करना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है क्योंकि केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड्स और इंसेक्टिसाइड्स जब हम यूज करते हैं तो दीज आर वेरी हार्मफुल टू ह्यूमन बीइंग, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स, एंड दे आल्सो कॉजेज द पोल्यूशन in the environment, and therefore to avoid the harmful effect of these pesticides, nowadays the trend of organic farming is increasing, and in organic farming biocontrol agents and biological methods are mainly used to control the population of harmful insects and pests. Organic farming का main aim क्या है? To maintain the biodiversity for balanced ecosystem. So the biological control methods they mainly depend on the natural predation. तो natural predation में क्या किया जाता है, जो यूजफुल इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं वो हार्मफुल इंसेक्ट्स को एज ए फूड सोर्स यूज करते हैं. दे यूज द हार्मफुल इंसेक्ट्स एज अ food source, and thereby they reduce the population of harmful insects in the crop field, and also they play important role in the process of pollination, and therefore natural predation technique is one of the most important biological method for controlling the harmful insects. Now next point, examples of biocontrol agents. In that, first beetles. So these ladybird beetle are useful to control the aphids, and dragonflies they control the mosquitoes in the crop fields, and thereby they control these harmful insects which causes damage to the crop plants. Second example है fungus trichoderma. So this fungus trichoderma, it is a free living fungi which grow surrounding the root region, and they are commonly present in the root ecosystem. तो ये जो ट्राइकोडर्मा फंगाई होते हैं अनदर पैथोजेनिक माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स को रूट इकोसिस्टम पे ग्रो नहीं होने देते, एंड देयर बाय दे कंट्रोल द सेवरल प्लांट डिसीजेस और प्लांट पैथोजेंस इन द एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड. In NEET examination, question can be asked, the biocontrol agent that is useful to control the various plant diseases is, at that time your answer should be trichoderma. Now next biocontrol agent, Bacillus thuringiensis. So this is a bacterial agent which is used to control the butterfly caterpillars. तो ये जो Bacillus thuringiensis बैक्टीरिया है ये स्पोर प्रोड्यूसिंग बैक्टीरिया, एंड द स्पोर्स ऑफ दिस बैक्टीरिया they consist of toxin in the form of crystals, and dried spores of this Bacillus thuringiensis they are available in the market, and that are mixed with water and sprayed on the crop plants. So crop plants पे spread करने के बाद जब insect crop plant को visit करते हैं, at that time that insecticide get entered into the gut of the larvae, and there that toxin get activated and larvae get killed, and like such way this Bt toxin they bring about their action in the gut of the insect. So nowadays by using the genetic engineering technique, the Bt toxin gene means Bacillus thuringiensis gene. So these genes they are now transferred into the crop plants, and thereby the crop becomes resistant to the insect pest. कि प्लांट्स में डायरेक्टली जब बीटी टॉक्सिन जीन ट्रांसफर किया जाता है तो वो प्लांट्स क्या होते हैं, उस इंसेक्ट को बटरफ्लाई कैटरपिलर्स को रेजिस्टेंट होते हैं, एंड देयरफॉर directly they will when eat the parts of the plant that insect will get killed. So examples of transgenic plants are Bt cotton and Bt brinjal. So remember this, in NEET examination question can be asked, the plants in which the Bt toxin gene is transferred they are called as, they are nothing but the transgenic plants. So question can be asked, the microbial agent that is used as a bioinsecticide is, at that time your answer should be Bacillus thuringiensis, which is in short called as a Bt toxin. Now last example of biocontrol agent, baculoviruses. So these baculoviruses are nothing but the pathogenic viruses that attack insects and the arthropods. So majority of the baculoviruses which are used as biocontrol agents, they are placed in the genus Nucleopolyhedrovirus. So remember this from NEET examination point of view. Then what are the characteristic feature of these baculoviruses? They are species specific having narrow spectrum insecticidal applications, कि उनकी एक्शन जो है पर्टिकुलर स्पीसीज के अगेंस्ट ही होती है और लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ, नैरो मीन्स लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज को वो किल करते हैं. दैट्स वाई दे आर वेरी यूजफुल बायो कंट्रोल एजेंट्स अगेंस्ट वेरियस हार्मफुल इंसेक्ट्स एंड द arthropods. And what is another feature? They do not have any negative effect on mammals, birds, plant, fish और इवन नॉन टारगेट इंसेक्ट के. डिफरेंट जो यूजफुल इंसेक्ट है, नॉन टारगेट इंसेक्ट है, उन पे कोई भी हार्मफुल इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. एंड ऑल्सो अनदर ऑर्गेनिज्म डू नॉट गेट अफेक्टेड बाय द pathogenic baculoviruses. So in NEET examination, question can be asked, the viruses which are species specific having narrow spectrum insecticidal applications which are used as biocontrol agents are, at that time your answer should be baculoviruses. I hope you understood all the content of the video. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.